We just got early access to Norwegian Cruise Line's brand new Great Tides Waterpark. During our sailing aboard Norwegian Luna this past week, we were invited to a special soft launch at Great Stirrup Cay before the water park officially opens to the public. And that wasn't the only first. For years, getting to Great Stirrup Cay meant taking a tender from the ship, but not anymore. We walked straight off Norwegian Luna and across the brand new pier onto the island. Then it was time for Great Tides. We got our wristbands and headed straight inside. First up, Tidal Tower. I tried the Breakwater Blasters and this thing was exhilarating. You can ride solo or with somebody else, and this isn't your typical water slide. You have to watch the drop and that push. Unbelievable. My son took the plunge at Cliffside Leap over at the Cliffside Cove. And I'll tell you this, if you're gonna jump off the 10-foot or 15-foot cliff, you need to know how to swim. And after all of that, we slowed things down a little bit. And we jumped in the 800+ foot wandering river, which even has a swim-up bar. And it was actually pretty cool because there's a section in there in the tunnel where it's lit up and it has cool little visuals. And for families, there's Splash Cay, a huge kids water play area with 8 slides and plenty for the younger cruisers to explore. Unfortunately, we already had an excursion booked, so we couldn't stay nearly as long as I wanted. But my first impression, Great Tides has something for everybody. Thrill seekers, families, kids, and those of us who just want to float around and grab a drink right after at the swim bar. This one's for you. Great Tides Waterpark officially opens September 4th, 2026. And after getting an early free preview, I definitely want to come back and experience the whole thing. I know I'll have to spend some money on this one. But here's the question. Great Tides requires a separate day pass. So would you pay for it? Let me know in the comments. Follow Down to Vacay for more Norwegian Luna and Great Stirrup Cay content. Are you down to Vacay?